It's yogurt making time again. The last lot was really, really good, so this time we're going to try some kosher yogurt starter that I got from Amazon. And it says that we need to do all kinds of things, but we've actually got a fermenter. Dissolve 1 sachet in milk, and it makes 1 litre. So here is 1 litre of milk going into our jug, without spilling too much, I hope. 1 sachet. Which we shall now mix in. Yep, yeah, Rufus has discovered yogurt again. Put our lid on. No, not that lid. Okay, we popped it in our fermenter. We'll put the lid on there. We'll put the cover on, and we press menu. And it's saying Greek yogurt again. And off it goes, I think. Now, the interesting thing will be to see how this compares to our yogurt made with an existing yogurt culture. We'll let that brew up, it'll be ready tomorrow, and we'll give it a taste test. See you tomorrow. Okay. So we can see the result here. Now, unfortunately, a lot of the solids seem to have sunk through the filter. So I'm going to try and rescue that later. But it certainly worked. It looks nice, and we'll have a look here. Get the lid off. It smells good. There we go. Let's lift it out and have a look. Certainly doesn't seem to be as much as in the previous one. And I think that's because of all those solids going through. So let's have a taste. It's a lot thinner than the previous one. Still looks nice and smooth. Not a great deal of smell to it. It's nice. It's very nice. But I still think the other one's better. Now, if we have a look here, oh, it's got a good aftertaste to it. I'll put it back through the filter, and as we can see, we're already starting to get some more of the clear out, and it is reasonably clear. So let's just have a look. There's a bit we were missing. I'm going to bring this in, and we can have a look. So you can see we're starting to recover a lot more yogurt there. We'll leave that for a little bit longer, probably another hour or two, and we'll add that into the bowl of yogurt that we have. But as I said, that tastes good. I think I like the other one better, but Lady Curmudgeon, I think, likes this one better.
I do that. Thank you.
Which one, the previous one or this one?
This one.
Yep, she prefers this one. And I prefer the other one. But they're both good. Nothing wrong with either one. This is culture for you. I'll catch you in the garden.